Hey everyone, today's weekend project is a simple one. We're going to be making a shoe tray for your mudroom. Let's get started. We'll begin by cutting out the primary bottom piece. Now if you'd like to try this project home on your own, I've provided a full cut list in the description box below. For the bottom, I used a project board that resembles butcher's block, but for the rails, I used southern pine. Always start by squaring off the end of your initial board. This will give you a nice clean cut to start your first measurement. I went ahead and cut all 4 pieces, the front, the back, and both sides. I'm making all of my cuts with a compound miter saw. If you don't have these tools, you can always use a skill saw or even a hand saw to make the cuts. Now that I have all the pieces cut, I'll do a general sanding. Now depending on the wood you're using, you may need to use a coarser sandpaper, but in the end try to finish it off with a nice 220 fine sandpaper. For the smaller pieces, I found that using a foam sandpaper block are much easier to control the edges. These come in a variety of grit as well. To begin the assembly, I aligned both the front and back pieces flush with the bottom board. When you're satisfied with the placement, nail them secure with a brad nailer. For the side pieces, I used a basic dry fit method. Take a soft mallet and gently hammer it in so it's flush with all 3 sides. This may take just a little bit of time, but it's worth it to make sure that it's aligned properly. Then all you need to do is basically flip it over and nail it into place. The final step is to secure the side pieces together. You do this by turning the box on its side and putting 2 brad nails in each end. Alright guys, what we end up is a basic box. Make sure you can see where I sporadically went down the nail holes. Even got them on the sides. Make it nice and sturdy. We'll get some stain on it. Get inside. I highly recommend that you prepare your wood project with pre-stained wood conditioner. The stain will take to the wood more evenly and not cause blotches. Now I chose to stain this one in a nice cool bluish gray. Here's our finished product. I really enjoyed building it. This is a great little project for your mudroom. Now I'm a size 12 and this box holds 3 pairs of shoes easily. I decided to put this one by our back door. We have 2 German Shepherds and they're constantly going in and out. This provides a place to put our dirty shoes after we round them up. We really hope you enjoyed watching this video. We would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to us. We'll have more great content coming your way in the near future. For now, take care and God bless.